Hi everybody. Today we're going to talk about lists in Java.
Oh, Dada.
You hear some noises in the background. It's because my kids are currently drawing on my whiteboard. Um,
Dada,
oh yeah?
you have even your own bill.
Oh yeah, my Matryoshka doll. Right. Anyway, yeah.
Dada, why do you have so many lobster paintings in here?
Why do I have so many lobster paintings? They'll have to come to office hours to find out. All right, so anyway, we're going to talk about lists. And as you know from Python, there's a really nice built-in list data structure in Python with its own special syntax.
You have to write your name.
Whereas in Java, lists are kind of a little bit, it's more like an add-on to the language. It's not built in such a firm way. Instead, it's a utility class. In this case, I'm using linked list that someone had to build in Java. So what we're going to do in this lecture and in the next several lectures is build our own list implementations. And we're going to take advantage of the ideas of recursion. If you've taken 61A, we'll see that this builds really nicely on the ideas from 61A. But even if you haven't taken 61A, just the notion of recursion as the basis for a linked list is a very nice idea. And eventually we'll be able to do our own class, create our own class that behaves just like linked list. Okay? And what recursion will allow us to do is it'll allow us to build a list that, unlike a Java array, can grow infinitely large. Now, before we get there, there's something important we need to do, which is to solve what I will call the mystery of the walrus.